Okay, step to choose the switch that will be forward the segment. Okay. Well, after we select the root bridge and forwarding port in the root bridge, the next thing that we need to do is find the lowest accumulated path cost to the root bridge. If there is a tie on the accumulated path cost from both switches to the root bridge, then we will use BID as we mentioned before in the previous slide. If there are two links between switches and the BID and the priority are tied, then the port with the lowest number will be chosen. For example, FA01 is lower than FA02. Okay. So let's take a look at this example. So let's start neatly by summarizing what we have learned so far by using this simple three switch network connected together as shown in this figure. Notice that all of these three switches we have the same priority number, which is 32768. This is the default priority of spanning tree protocol. Okay, and then the next, so since all of these three switches have the same priority number, so the next thing we need to see is the bridge ID number with the lowest bridge ID number. Notice that this switch 1 000 0000 and this is 000A and 0030 in hexadecimal. S1 switch 1 has the lowest BID, right, by looking at 00000. Okay, all right. So once we find the root bridge, this is gonna be the forwarding port, and this is the forwarding port. Okay, because the port in the root bridge will be a forwarding port. So basically, STP job is to find all the link in the network and shut down any redundant ones, thereby preventing network loops from occurring. It achieves this by first electing the root bridge, then we'll have all the port forwarding, and will also act as a point of reference for all other devices within the STP domain. Okay. The next one. In this figure, S1 has been elected the root bridge based on the bridge ID, right? This is going to be the bridge ID, S1 is the bridge ID, and this is forwarding and forwarding. Okay, once all the switches agree on the root bridge, they must then determine the one and only root port, the single path, that is the single path to the root bridge. So since this is the lowest cost, right, cost 4 and cost 4, this is going to be the root port. You see that this will be the root port and the root port. Okay, all right, let's go to the next one. In the next one, okay, since we find the FF forwarding port and the root port and the root port, then the next thing we need to find out which one is the blocking state. Okay, since S3 has the lower bridge ID, which is 000A, is lower than 0030, so this gonna be a forwarding port, and the rest we gonna with what? Blocking port, the blocking mode. Okay. So S3 has the lower bridge ID, which is better, so this fast Ethernet, I don't know what number you're gonna give, this will be the forwarding states, and this is gonna be the blocking states. Okay, so this one become a blocking mode. Let me see. All right, the next thing is, oh, I think that's about it, right? All right then, so let me stop right here.